Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your InstaPage landing pages, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Tag Manager to your InstaPage landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Tag Manager to your InstaPage landing page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track conversions or different actions from your users. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your InstaPage dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my InstaPage, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to install or link your Google Tag Manager to one of your landing pages, first click on landing pages here on the left. Once you do that, you'll see all the different landing pages you have with InstaPage. You can see I just have this one. Once you found the landing page that you want to link your Google Tag Manager to, click right here on the name of the landing page. Okay, before we go any further, I want to let you know this is assuming you already have your Google Tag ID. If you don't have that yet, go back and watch my other video that describes how to get that in detail. Once you have your Google Tag ID, what you're going to do is here on this pop-up that scrolled out from the right, you want to go ahead and click on integrations. It looks like a little puzzle icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these three options. And in order to link your Google Tag Manager, click on marketing tags and pixels. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and click on this one, Google Tag Manager. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and paste in your Google Tag Manager ID. Once you pasted it in, you want to be sure to click on save down here on the bottom. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect your Google Tag Manager to your InstaPage landing page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.